Hello my friends, this is Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q, and today I'm in my kitchen. It's January 1st, 2021. Today I'm going to be cooking a number of different things. When cooking black-eyed peas or even collard greens, what I like to do is take my ham hocks and simmer them in some water, and that brings out all the flavor and softens up the ham hocks so that they can be ready to go into my black-eyed peas. I simmer these ham hocks for approximately 2 hours, and in that time period they're going to get nice and soft and tender where I can flake off the ham part. And actually I like the skin part and that gelatinous taste and texture of the skin. These are the ingredients for my collard greens. I've got some black pepper, a couple of bay leaves, salt to taste, crushed red pepper to taste. I've got onion. This is approximately a half of a very large onion that I cut into slices. And I've got garlic. There's probably 4 or 5, 6 cloves, I don't remember, but I slivered them, and that's going to go in my greens. I've also got the vinegar, and I usually add, depending on how many greens I have, about a tablespoon or so. And it depends on what level of acidity you like in your greens as far as how much vinegar you put in there. These are my blanched collard greens and mustard greens. I've got about 2 bunches of mustard greens, and this is 4 bunches of collard greens. I blanched them in water approximately 20 to 30 seconds, then dipped it in some cold water to stop the cook, and that is in hopes of maintaining a vibrant green color. I already started to prep for my collard greens. I've got my ham hock, which I simmered in the broth for, it's about 2 hours and a half until it got tender. I added the onions, a couple of the bay leaves, red pepper flakes, and pepper. Now I'm going to add the garlic, and I'm going to add my greens. And those are both collard and mustard greens. I'm also going to add a bit more water just to make sure all that gets covered. And it'll boil off if it's too much. And we'll let those simmer until those greens are tender. I forgot to add the vinegar, so I'm going to add that now. Well, I believe my greens are done. I did a little taste of one of the collards, and it was tender. I'm going to taste the juice. May have to add a little bit more salt to it, but other than that, it's good to go. Collard greens are done, nice and tender, seasoned well.